There's been a lot of buzz in crypto, but today we're spotlighting a game changer for Pi network. For all the pioneers, the Pi DEX and AMM just got a major overhaul. This isn't a minor update, it's a complete transformation of DeFi within the Pi ecosystem. The Pi core team has revamped the DEX and AMM liquidity pools on the testnet, aiming to make DeFi on Pi clearer, safer, and more user-friendly. This is a foundational step as Pi moves closer to open mainnet, designed for everyone, not just crypto pros. We'll break down the new interface, Pi-centric pairs, security features, and what this means for Pi's future. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the user experience, because it's the first thing you notice when you open any app. If an app is confusing or cluttered, people simply won't use it, no matter how powerful its features are or how much potential it has. That's why the new Pi DEX interface is such a game changer. It's dramatically cleaner, more intuitive, and designed with real users in mind. Now, key actions like swapping tokens, adding liquidity, and checking your portfolio are right up front. No more hunting through endless menus or confusing tabs. Navigation feels effortless, with a logical flow that guides you from viewing your tokens to making trades, all in just a few taps. The onboarding process is now smarter too. Helpful tooltips and clear explanations for DeFi terms pop up exactly when you need them, so you're never left guessing. It's like having a built-in tutorial that walks you through every step, empowering users to make smart, confident decisions, even if you're brand new to DeFi. The design itself feels modern and trustworthy, with larger, easy-to-tap buttons, highly readable text, and a calming color palette that makes the whole experience less intimidating. But this isn't just about looks, it's about making DeFi truly accessible, reducing mistakes, and helping users feel confident as they manage their assets. The new UI lowers the barrier for beginners, making it easy for anyone to get started, whether you're a crypto veteran or just curious about digital finance. By focusing on clarity and education, the Pi core team is preparing the DEX for mainstream adoption, ensuring that everyone can participate and learn as they go. This overhaul isn't just a facelift, it's the foundation for everything else, making advanced features approachable and inviting for all users, regardless of experience. It's a leap toward Pi's mission, crypto for everyone. With this upgrade, the future of DeFi feels more open, inclusive, and exciting than ever before. Now, let's talk about the biggest change, Pi-centric liquidity pairs. This is a fundamental shift in how liquidity is organized and accessed within the ecosystem, and it's set to transform the way users interact with decentralized exchanges. Previously, liquidity was scattered across countless pools for every possible token combination, making it inefficient and often leading to thin markets. Now all tokens are paired directly with Pi, consolidating liquidity into larger, more robust pools. Imagine the difference between a series of tiny, isolated ponds and a vast, interconnected lake. Liquidity is now deeper and more concentrated. Trades between any two tokens are routed through Pi, which dramatically reduces slippage and helps keep prices stable, even during periods of high trading activity. By centralizing liquidity around Pi, the network creates a single, reliable source for token values, making it easier for traders to find fair prices and for the market to function efficiently. This approach also reinforces Pi's role as the network's core asset and bridge currency, connecting the entire ecosystem and enabling seamless swaps between any supported tokens. For liquidity providers, the process is now much simpler. Just pair your favorite token with Pi, and you're directly contributing to a stronger, more unified market. This model minimizes fragmentation, improves price discovery, and elevates Pi's utility as the backbone of the exchange. It also encourages more participation by making liquidity provision more accessible. It's not just a technical tweak, it's a strategic move designed to create a healthier, more efficient economy for everyone involved, from traders to liquidity providers. The result? Lower slippage, better price stability, and a more user-friendly trading experience that benefits both newcomers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. Pi becomes the heartbeat of the DEX, pulsing at the center of every transaction and powering the entire marketplace. This is a mature, long-term approach to decentralized markets, setting the stage for sustainable growth and innovation. With Pi-centric pairs, the Pi economy just got a lot stronger, and the future of decentralized trading looks brighter than ever. Trust is everything in crypto. In a world where anyone can create a token, knowing what's real and what's not is more important than ever. Every transaction, every investment, and every new project depends on a foundation of trust. But how do you know a token is legit? With so many options and new tokens launching daily, it's easy to get lost or fall for a scam. The PiDex now features domain-verified tokens, a smart way to verify authenticity without sacrificing decentralization. This new layer of verification brings clarity to a sometimes confusing landscape. Developers can link their tokens to a verified web domain, creating a visible badge of trust. This badge signals to users that the token is officially connected to a real project or organization. When you see a verified token, you know it's officially tied to a real project or entity. It's a simple, visual way to separate genuine tokens from imposters. This helps users spot the real deal and avoid scams or copycats. It's an extra layer of protection for everyone, from beginners to seasoned traders. The system doesn't block unverified tokens. It simply gives you more information to make informed choices. Transparency, not gatekeeping, is the goal, so you stay in control. Projects are incentivized to verify, building accountability and trust in the ecosystem. The more projects that verify, the stronger the community becomes. If a token isn't verified, you'll see a clear warning. Proceed with caution. This gives you the power to make safer decisions. This feature empowers users and encourages responsible development. It's about giving everyone the tools to participate safely and confidently. It's a practical solution to token impersonation, perfectly aligned with decentralized principles. Security and openness can go hand in hand. The result: a safer, more transparent DeFi experience for everyone. With every verified token, the ecosystem grows stronger and more reliable. Trust, clarity, and user empowerment built right in. In the end, it's about making crypto safer and more accessible for all. Forget market cap. On the new PiDex, tokens are ranked by real committed liquidity. Market cap can be faked, but liquidity means someone actually locked up assets in the pool. This shift highlights projects with genuine backing and community support. High liquidity equals more stable prices and less manipulation. Developers are incentivized to build real value, not just hype. For users, it's easier to spot reliable projects and avoid pump-and-dump schemes. Deep pools mean better price discovery and fairer markets. The DEX now showcases tokens by substance, not speculation. It's a mature approach that rewards long-term value creation. The result: a healthier, more transparent ecosystem for everyone. Real liquidity, real rankings, real progress. One of the best parts of this update: it's a hands-on DeFi classroom. The Pi testnet lets you experiment with swapping, liquidity, and more, using TestPi, so there's no financial risk. The new UI and safety features make learning intuitive and stress-free. You can practice, make mistakes, and build real DeFi skills before ever risking real assets. Concepts like slippage, impermanent loss, and liquidity provision become clear through experience. This approach builds financial literacy and confidence for millions of new users. The Pi-centric model and liquidity rankings teach deeper economic lessons. It's a responsible, sustainable way to onboard the next wave of crypto users. An educated community is the best defense against scams and the foundation for growth. The real product here is education, empowering pioneers for the future of finance. Pi isn't just building a DEX, it's building a global DeFi classroom. Beyond DeFi, Pi is proving real-world utility with the holiday commerce event, Pi Fest. Merchants accepting Pi are featured, and pioneers are encouraged to shop using their mined Pi. Both online and offline businesses are highlighted, with a searchable map to find Pi-accepting stores nearby. This event connects the digital Pi community with local economies, showcasing Pi's practical value. E-commerce stores gain visibility, and pioneers get to spend Pi on real goods and gifts. Every transaction helps test and strengthen the Pi payment system. For merchants, it's a chance to tap into a global customer base. The event is a real-world stress test and a celebration of Pi's growing utility. It's a collective push to bootstrap a new economy, one transaction at a time. The holiday event bridges mining and real-world spending. Pi is moving from theory to practice right now. The Pi DEX and AMM update is a huge leap forward. Smarter design, safer trading, and real-world use. These changes lay the groundwork for a robust, accessible, decentralized economy. By letting millions safely learn and experiment, Pi is building a powerful, educated community. With real commerce events, Pi's utility is already on display. Try the new features, join the holiday event, and help shape the future of Pi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Pi Network updates.